Hey everyone, welcome to the demo session of the first version of Emertal Enterprise GenAI chatbot. As we know, ChatGPT has been built on public data till a certain date. So such a publicly available GenAI chatbot will not work in an enterprise context. For enterprise chatbots, they need to be exclusively trained and fine-grained on existing enterprise data. Enterprise data is spread across different formats in websites, in databases, in different PDF and Excel documents, and so many more. Some of this data is structured, while the rest is unstructured. Let us take a look at how this chatbot works currently. To note here, this chatbot works on a context-aware manner. If the initial context of Immortal is set, it will know the subsequent questions are on Immortal only. So let's take a look at that. So this is the first question being placed. And here we get the response. See, the immortal context is already set here. We do not need to set the same context for every question. Subsequently, it will understand that the questions are for immortal only. So that's what it says. What services does it provide? It means what are the services that immortal provides? So it can actually go on. Let's kind of take a pause and kind of fast forward it. There's a lot of still a lot of scope for optimization in this model. Let me come back to on it a little later. Now let us take a sneak peek at the code. Here is the code that has been written. As we have mentioned, like in this particular case, we have scraped the website data of Immortal. We've scraped some of the documents from a particular folder where it is kept, whether they're PDF and Excel. We have built it on top of OpenAI in this particular case. It can as well be built on open source LLM. This is where the website has been crawled and the website data has been collated. This is where it kind of loads the data, kind of trains the model on the data of the PDF and Excel documents. Now, once this model has been created, we actually have exposed it as an API using Flask. So as I said, now this model has been exposed as an API. Now this insights or results generated by the extended AI model can be integrated into any line of business application. This is a perfect example of AI as a service or AI AAS. Now coming back to the optimization part, each and every data that is being used in training the model needs to accompany appropriate metadata information or structuring, enabling appropriate learning by the model. For instance, here we have scraped our website data, but a continuous string of this data might not make much sense to the model. To improve the model performance, we might need to appropriately structure the data with necessary associated metadata information. Thanks for now. As we further develop this model, and this enterprise, and we have future versions of enterprise GenAI chatbot for Immortal, we'll come back to you with updated demos. Thanks and see you again.